It's massive, it's powerful, and it might just be the most overbuilt diesel engine you've never heard of, until now. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we're going deep into the heart of the beast, the Caterpillar C17. Not your average engine, not even your average Caterpillar. This is torque with teeth, power with a pulse. Okay, real talk. When was the last time you thought about a diesel engine? Exactly. But the CAT C17 isn't just any diesel engine. It's what keeps oil flowing, mountains moving, and ships floating, literally. Yeah, it's not winning any beauty contests, unless you're into 2,500-pound hunks of cast iron with a growl like a thunderstorm. So why should you care about the CAT C17? Well, if you're into raw mechanical power, industrial reliability, or just want to know what makes America's biggest machines tick, you're in the right place. The CAT C17 is a V12, four-stroke diesel with a displacement of, you guessed it, 17 liters. That's about 1,000 cubic inches of "don't mess with me." We're talking 1,100 to 1,200 horsepower, depending on configuration, and up to 4,000 newton meters of torque. Cut to jetliner comparison graphic. That's torque on par with the engines you'd find in some regional jets, except this one's not going airborne, unless it takes the bulldozer with it. The CAT C17 doesn't waste its talents. You'll find it where reliability is life or death, from offshore oil rigs to underground mines. One engine failure, and entire operations can grind to a halt. And trust me, when that happens, downtime costs millions. That's why companies trust this engine like a soldier trusts their rifle. This thing is engineered for abuse, the kind of abuse that would reduce most engines to smoking piles of scrap. Its block is a cast iron monolith, pistons the size of your forearm, twin turbochargers, advanced cooling, and a fuel system that can run clean even under the dirtiest conditions. Don't try this at home, or at the gym. Caterpillar didn't just make a big engine. They created a global support network. Every C17 is backed by diagnostics, 24/7 service, and a global parts distribution empire. You don't just buy an engine, you buy a guarantee of uptime. Fleet managers can track every parameter, RPM, fuel usage, even stress loads, live from a continent away. Don't let the old school size fool you. Under the hood, the CAT C17 is a smart engine. It adapts to altitude, load, and operating conditions on the fly. Not yet, but give it a few firmware updates. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Rumor has it, CAT is working on hybrid systems that combine diesel with electric propulsion. Imagine a C17 with AI-powered torque distribution, efficiency without sacrificing power. So, here's the question. What happens when the most powerful diesel engine gets even smarter? We're working on that story. But trust me, you'll want to be here when it breaks. So, whether you're an engineer, a heavy equipment nerd, or just a fan of things that rumble like thunder and work like war horses, the CAT C17 is the unsung legend you need to know about. Hit that subscribe button because the next engine we cover might just change everything. See you in the next one.